Here we will talk about vertical shifts. A value that is either added or subtracted on the outside of the function will indicate that we have a vertical shift. It is also consistent with the sign. In other words, if you see a plus, that means go up. If you see a minus, that means go down. So let's consider the graph of y equals x squared minus 5. The first thing to do is to identify your basic shape. Well, because the highest power is squared, then we know the basic shape is y equals x squared. And I will first graph that. So y equals x squared, we know it starts at the origin. It's parabola shaped. Okay, and then on this one, we have a 5 that's subtracted on the outside of the function. So that would indicate that I would need to go down 5 units. So I would take this basic shape and then just drop it down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So now the vertex is here. I keep the same basic shape and go from there. Now notice here we have places where the graph crosses the x-axis. I'm not particularly interested in those particular values right now. Our main goal in this particular section is just to sketch the graph, show the basic shape and the basic location. Now, what I mean by a number is added or subtracted outside the function. Let me show you here. So in this example, we have y equals x squared minus 5. The minus 5 is on the outside versus if you had it on the inside, this would be what it looks like. Y equals x minus 5 squared. Okay, so we're talking here about shifts that happen on the outside, and those would be vertical shifts that are consistent with the sign.